Hi guys, sorry for the jittery camera. I'm actually doing this just very spontaneous. So I obviously look very silly, and you're probably thinking, oh no, not another person on YouTube coming out with a mask on their face. And normally I wouldn't do this just because I know that there are so many people that have done it and you've seen it all and you probably don't really need to see it again. But I got so excited about this mask that I just had to share. So I was at my Ulta and I was picking up my beauty steal, one of my beauty steal deals. And of course, when you go there, you got to try different products or look around at least. And I saw that No.7 had some new masks out, and they had them on the end cap, and it was buy one, get one 40% off. So I picked up two, and I really didn't know much about these masks at all. They have different kinds. The one I picked up is the Lift and Luminate Triple Action mask. And first of all, the thing I'm so excited about and I wanted to share with you is the way this mask, it is a face and a neck mask. So when you put it on, it has these holes that loop over your ear for your face, and then they have the one for your neck that loop over the ear. So I thought, where the heck has this mask been all my life? I love this design. I think it's ingenious. Not only is it, like I said, not only is it a face mask, but it's a neck mask and they loop. So I love it. I was just thrilled, and now I got to go back and get some more. But I just wanted to share with you, and I wanted to see if any of you had heard of these. Again, I've heard of No.7. I've had some of their products before, but I've never used their masks, and they are new. And again, this one's a Lift and Illuminate Triple Action. And it's got, they have different, two other kinds, I think, Protect and Renew, and I'm not sure, I can't remember the name of the other one, but I just wanted to share these again with you. I can't vouch for the serum yet because I just put this on, but it feels wonderful so far. I think there's matrixyl in it and some other hyaluronic acid and some other good ingredients, so I will follow up with what I think about the serum. But the mask in general, ingenious with the neck and the loops around the ears. I think what a great idea. I don't know if other masks do that. I mean, any mask that I've tried, I've not had that. So I just love it. I wanted to share, and again, I apologize for the rockiness, but I'm just free reeling it here. And again, I'll be back with an update on these. I'm gonna go buy some more, and I just wanted to share, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye guys.